Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. There is a huge, outcry of programmers that are unhappy. I'm going to cover it in this video. I'm going to talk about why is programming harder today than in the 90s, why programmers are unhappy, things that could make programming easier, how does the future of programming look? So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Why is programming harder today than in the 90s? Programming today is arguably more challenging than it was in the 1990s for several reasons, right? Increased complexity, right? Modern software systems are significantly more complex with interconnected components, distributed architectures, and a wider range of platforms to support. This complexity requires developers to have a broader knowledge base and manage more moving parts. You have higher user expectations. Users now, right, expect sophisticated, feature-rich applications with polished interfaces and real-time functionality. This demand for advanced features and seamless user experiences puts more pressure on developers to deliver complex solutions. You have rapid technological changes. The pace of technological advancement has accelerated, requiring programmers to constantly learn new languages, frameworks, and tools. This continuous learning curve can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Then there's the overwhelming choice, right? The abundance of programming languages, frameworks, and tools available today can lead to decision paralysis and make it difficult to choose the right stack for a project. Security concerns with the increased connectivity of systems and the prevalence of cyber threats, developers must be much more vigilant about security, adding another layer of complexity to their work. You have dependency management. Modern applications often rely on numerous third-party libraries and services, which can introduce compatibility issues and require careful management. You have performance optimization. With the scale of modern applications, optimizing for performance across various devices and networking or network conditions has become more challenging. You have cross-platform development. Developers often need to create applications that work seamlessly across multiple platforms, like web, mobile, and desktop, adding to the complexity of the development. You have maintenance of legacy systems. Many organizations still rely on older systems, requiring developers to maintain and integrate with legacy code while also working with modern technologies. You have increased specialization. The breadth of knowledge required in modern development has led to more specialized roles, making it challenging for individual developers to have a comprehensive understanding of entire systems. So why are programmers unhappy, right? There are several key reasons why programmers report being unhappy in their jobs. There is workplace dissatisfaction. According to recent surveys, around 80% of professional programmers are unhappy at work. Only about 20% claim to be somewhat happy in their jobs. You have technical depth and poor code quality. Working with imperfect systems and legacy code is demoralizing for many developers. This makes it difficult to produce quality work and leads to frustration. You have unrealistic expectations and time pressure. The tech industry often imposes extreme deadlines and pressure to complete tasks quickly. This can lead to burnout and stress. You have bureaucracy and unproductive meetings. Developers become frustrated with their time, is spent on administrative tasks and meetings instead of actual coding. So this is as of this report, right? This 80% that is unhappy. This is of this report. So job security, right? Recent layoffs in the tech industry have created uncertainty and fear among developers about their career prospects. You have a lack of human interaction. The nature of programming work can be isolating, with developers spending long hours in front of computers with minimal social interaction. You have feeling inadequate or stuck. Some developers struggle with imposter syndrome or feel they aren't progressing in their skills. You have mundane or repetitive tasks, right? Engaging in routine work that doesn't challenge their skills can, be demotivating for programmers. You have misalignment and management, poor decision making. from certain individuals and impose limitations on development can cause frustration. You have sedentary lifestyle. The nature of coding work often leads to a lack of physical activity, which can negatively impact overall well-being. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. So many developers still enjoy coding as a hobby outside of work, suggesting that the core activity of programming itself is not necessarily the primary source of unhappiness. Rather, it's often the work environment, industry pressures, and associated lifestyle factors that contribute to dissatisfaction among programmers, right? So, things that can make programming easier. Let's talk about that, right? Here are the several things that can make programming easier. You have integrated development, right? Integrated development environments, IDEs. Modern IDEs like Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ, IDEA, and PyCharm often, offer features such as code completion, syntax highlighting, and debugging tools that streamline the coding process. You have version control systems, right? Tools like Git and platforms like GitHub make it easier to manage code versions, collaborate with others, and track changes over time. You have online resources and communities. Websites like Stack Overflow, Free Code Camp, and various coding forums provide quick access to solutions and support from experienced developers. You have coding boot camps and online courses. These structured learning programs can help beginners acquire programming skills more efficiently. You have project management tools. Applications like Trello help organize complex projects, making it easier to keep track of tasks and progress. You have code editors. Powerful text editors like Vim offer advanced features for efficient code writing and editing. Automation tools. Scripting languages and tools can help automate repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. You have documentation tools. Applications like Evernote can help organize and access coding related information and resources. You have regular expression tools. Platforms like regXR simplify the process of crafting and testing complex regular expressions. You have code analysis tools, right? Solutions like Reflect provide real-time feedback and automated code analysis, helping to identify and address potential issues early in the development process. You have cloud-based development environments. Services like Code Anywhere allow for coding from any device with internet access. Debugging tools. Advanced debugging features in modern development environments make it easier to identify and fix errors in code. You have code sharing and review platforms. Services like Bitbucket facilitate code sharing and peer review processes. You have learning resources. Interactive learning platforms, coding games, and tutorials make the learning process more engaging and accessible. So how does the future of programming look like, right? AI and machine learning integration, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are they're significantly influencing the programming landscape. AI-powered tools and libraries will become integral components of programming languages, enabling advanced capabilities such as natural language processing, computer vision, and recommendation systems. These integrations will streamline the development process and unlock new possibilities for AI-driven applications. You have quantum computing, right? Quantum computing represents a transformative shift in how we approach problem solving in computing. Programming languages will evolve to specialize and optimize for quantum systems, allowing developers to harness the power of quantum processors. This will have a profound, implications for industries like cryptography, materials science, and more. You have domain-specific languages, also known as DSLs. There is a growing trend towards the development of domain-specific languages tailored for particular industries or problem domains. These languages will be customized to address specific needs, reflecting the increasing complexity and diversity of technological applications. You have low-code and no-code platforms, right? Low-code and no-code platforms are gaining popularity due to their ability to simplify programming and make it accessible to non-technical users. These platforms use visual interfaces and drag and drop tools to allow users to create applications without extensive coding knowledge. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and like button. Once again, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you in the next video.